Man, it is so cold out here. I wish I would have worn my coat.
Why is it important to just warm?
Well, duh. We're outside every day, almost every morning, every day during recess. Stop laughing. This is not supposed to be fun. This is school. I'm sick of this. I'm sick of it. You keep talking like that. I'm tired of it. But duh, we've got to wear a coat. We're outside every day.
What should you bring to school when it's cold?
Well, let's see. A sweatshirt, pants. You got to wear pants.
Yeah, Riley wears one. And James.
And then I would always have a coat, a hat, and some gloves of some sort.
What happens if you forget your stuff?
Well, pretty much you got to suck it up. And you don't want to do that. So you can borrow stuff from somebody or make sure you have some extra stuff in your sweatshirt or in your locker, like a sweatshirt or something like that.
Make sure you're supposed to go whoa. And stay.
Oh, and I'm supposed to go, whoa.
Stay.